Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse image Google search on this device. So sadly we don't have a Google Lens here, so you have to use the web browser, and how to do it I will show you. Now open your web browser and go to the google.com. We are here already, so it's very important. Click on this three-dot icon and choose desktop site. How you can see now, the small camera icon appears, so we have to choose it. And click upload a file, allow a permission, and choose the image that you want to search in the Google. How you can see now, Google looking for similar or the same image in the Google. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.